Time. Time is everlasting. Time is behind you for thousands of years and in front of you for thousands more. We are the marks in the trees, footsteps in the woods, the ripples in the water, and the whispers in the trees. Our souls will one day lurk over the everlasting legacy of what we left behind for somebody else in the far future to stumble upon in a miraculous timing. Here today, done tomorrow. But one thing is for sure, we are a pawn, and one day we'll be ghosts.
Hip-hop rocking to a ticking exhaust leak, baptizing creek water, copperheads at my feet, slithering, hissing, but they ain't gonna bite me none. Rattlesnake venom dripping off the bullets in my gun. Smile kinda crooked from the tobacco up in my gums. Porch lights flickering cause the ghost filling my buzz. Hill clicking in the country, a place you'll never find, with the mean rock while blackberries on the vine. All I smell is muddy water, honeysuckles and deer meat. Cheatham County in my veins, dirty water has made me that rebel flag junkie, Mr. General Ely, with the voice of the mud strong Harvey the D. When will the fall meets the road, and you hear the night all grow, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their soul. Whoa, 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 whoa. Son, I'm priceless, bone stock, old Camaro, and I'm in it to be a legend. Give a fuck about the narrow. My shit played when I'm 6 feet in the ground, 100 years in the dirt, still bumping my sound. While you dancing around the fire, while you sipping the shine, a tailgating with your buddies, puff, passing the pine, or simply chilling, watching the slow, changing the times. Think about me every time you start that fire. Fall meets the road, and you hear the night all grow, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their soul. Whoa, 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 being who I am, baby, coming to snakeskin boots till I dance on the devil. Corn country with a fetish of rapping and heavy metal. Hey, Junior and Pantera, Allison transmission with a change in the back lane. Slightly spitting and dipping while writing and repping the Confederate states. Until I'm down in the hole, I'm the rooster man. Yeah, here I come, and I'm repping for Dixie. Ain't none of you motherfuckers ever gonna evict me. When the fall meets the road, and you hear the night all grow, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their souls. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Country road, take me home to a backwoods creek down a long dirt road. If it means no headstone, at least I'll be where I belong. I represent the country, yeah, I love the slums. Raised off in the sticks, man, this is where I come from. Love crackling cornbread, collard and corn-fed, southern by the grace of God. And when I'm gone, country dead, I ride them dirt roads sometime to reach that destination. Ducked off in Jones's Wood, it's like I'm always on vacation. Blaze up the bonfire, calling up my country folk. Just filled up that mason jar, light the pine and take a smoke. It's all good, we all fine, and Marcus brought the moonshine. Kid Rock in the dashboard, peaches shaking in the moonlight. It's something about them back roads Stretching out across the county line, it takes me back to my days of young when my grandma was my sunshine. I love all the things that the country bring. Backwood riding little country lane on the front porch with my girl and kids, cause the smell of an evening country rain may not mean that much to some, but to me it's where my heart belongs. I'm calling on them country roads, them the ones that take me home.
Country road, take me home, to a backwoods creek, down along the road,
Sideways down that old dirt road.
if it means no headstone, at least I'll be where I belong.
Them country roads mean a lot to me. Georgia mountains, Carolinas, Cherokee, Smoky Mountains in the hills of Tennessee. If you're like me, you probably agree it's like something good, like something sweet, like something great, like Mama's tea. Raised to be how I wanted to be. At the end of the road, the sun sets for free. Not trying to put down no city, but these country roads are so pretty. Times I feel so young for what I know, and there's no place like home. I like to hear some creek water flowing down. That's the road I'm going. Hell yeah, that's where I belong. While we're getting there, we all singing along.
Country road, take me home, to a backwoods creek, down along the road,
Sideways down that old dirt road.
if it means no headstone, at least I'll be where I belong. Country road,
Take me home.
to a backwoods creek,
Sideways down that old dirt
if
road.
it means no headstone, at least I'll be where I belong.
The corner store smells like Pall Malls. The cashier wears the same overalls. The